Professional yacht training. The plotting sheets we're going to be using, I'm just going to do a quick explanation on them. This is what we call a fixed latitude and a variable longitude plotting sheet. Okay, and if we'll look at the simple thing in the first. We'll look in the middle here. We have our compass rose from the center. Okay, north 10, 20, 90, 180, 270, back to north. Okay, so there's our compass rose. Okay. And if you look here, you'll see you have going across, you have 1, 2, 3 lines of latitude. Okay, so we have a fixed latitude scale, but a variable longitude scale. Now, if we look here, you'll see on the latitude scale, look here, there's 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we're going, that would be a line of latitude going to the north, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Another line of latitude. So this could be, for example, it could be 25 degrees north, 25, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That would be 26 degrees north. Okay, or if we're going the other way, this plotting sheet is set up for northern hemisphere. So if we go the other way, if it was the southern hemisphere, let's say that was 10 degrees south. Okay, that line of latitude there. We'll be going, that 50 would actually be 10. So it'd be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. With full one over here, if that was 10, this would be now 11 degrees south. Okay, so it's set up for northern hemisphere with the numbers, but we can use it for both northern and southern hemisphere. Okay, so that's our latitude scale. Then if we look down over here, our longitude scale, obviously because of Mercator's projection, okay, it's variable. But what you end up having is we have a longitude scale which is based on what our latitude is. So on the right here, you'll see it goes 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Those are your lines of latitude. Okay, so it's either north or south. And then if we were, for example, at, let's say, 25 degrees, we would be north or south of the equator. There's 20, there's 30, there's 25. We would use this line here to measure or anything with regards to longitude. Okay. Now, on the bottom, you'll see it goes 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Okay, those are minutes of longitude at whatever latitude we are at. Okay, and then it goes inside here, there's 0, then there's a little line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal spaces here. Each one of these represents 2. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so if, for example, we were at a latitude, let's just say we're at 30 degrees. Okay, 30 degrees north or south of the equator, and we wanted to measure anything on our longitude scale. We would measure it at a latitude of 30, so we'd be using this line over here. Let's say, for example, we want to measure 48 minutes of longitude at a latitude of 30. There's the 40. We bring up to here. There's our 30. We put our dividers at 40. So from there to there would be exactly 40 minutes at a latitude of 30. 42, 4, 6, 8. That would represent 48 minutes at a latitude of 30 north or south of the equator. Okay, and that would be a measurement for anything for longitude. Okay, so that's how our longitude scale, variable longitude scale works here. Okay.